If you're constantly putting out IT fires, you're not just wasting time, you're bleeding productivity and profit. Charles Bender, CEO of Attentis Technologies, puts it simply: you can't scale a business if you're constantly fixing the same IT issues every week. And that's the reality for many Bellevue companies. Whether you're in tech, retail, or business services, the pressure is high and the margin for error is slim. Downtime, outdated systems, and slow support responses aren't minor annoyances. They're roadblocks to growth. That's where managed IT support comes in. With services tailored to Bellevue's fast-moving industries, you get faster ticket resolution, proactive cybersecurity, and strategic planning that keeps you ahead of problems, not behind them. Instead of dealing with 5 different vendors and no clear accountability, you get one reliable partner who handles it all. It's time to move past quick fixes and start building systems that scale with your business. You can read the full article on our website and add this to your Spotify playlist to explore more topics like this.